guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to share your Silhouette Studio designs that you've made or whatever. Obviously don't do things that you purchased and then share it for free, because that would be like you're going to get in trouble for that, and copyright and stuff like that. So don't even dabble into that. I shared these today and I'm going to show you how to share your own files. Anyway, go up to the top left hand corner, hit File, Save As, Save to Hard Drive. Then this window will pop up. At the top, whatever you want to name it, and then add a period and then the word Studio. I don't know why, that's just what I figured out from reading. And then save it to your desktop, which is automatically selected for me. And then hit OK. Obviously I already had this saved, so I'm not going to do it again. So once it hits OK, then it's done. Then go to Google Drive. When I clicked on this, it was already on this page. I was logged in, I think through my Gmail account or my YouTube account, something, but it was already had me logged in, which is good, so I didn't have to create anything. Here's the one that I shared right here, Magical Bag Toppers. Over here in the left hand corner on the top, there's a new symbol. Click on that, then do File Upload. Not folder, but file. Then find your design, because this is my desktop. You'll notice it has the silhouette symbol, so they're pretty easy to spot out. So I'm going to do this bag topper ones. Down here in the bottom right hand corner, it'll show the uploading status. It says 1 minute, but it takes like 5 seconds. And then I close it out. So here's my new file. You're going to click on it just once to have it highlighted. Then over here on your right hand side, it'll show information. This very left symbol, if you like scroll over it, hover over it, it'll say Get Shareable Link. So click on that, and it automatically enables sharing on. So off, green means on, and then share settings, you can also just email somebody if you're only sharing it with one person. Or at the top right here, you can click this copy link, so it copies it to your clipboard, and then post this in your Instagram bio or your YouTube or whatever other social medias you have, Facebook, stuff like that. And they will download that to their computer, and then it should pop up in Silhouette. Super simple, super easy. So I hope this helps anybody that wants to share their designs now. I thought I couldn't figure it out originally, and I finally did, so yay! And lots more tutorials to come. All right, bye guys!